So, good evening, ma'am. This is my assignment. So, the assignment is to build a student dictionary. So, first, all is mag-download ka and then yun mo siyang i-run. So, and also, pwede nyo siya na mag-type kag code that para magawas ang code and then so, dari na ta sa code. So, first is the components of the student. So, import the React function the student, then the total student return. So, and then the style student. So, muna siya. And next, so the form. So, muning form. So, enter the name and the course. And then, name and course. So, handled if course. So, muning alert niya. So, and then return to out submit. Student name. So, and then the design. Then, input. So, kato mag-input ka. So, muning input niya. Mag-input ka course. PSIT. Then, muning option. So, export na din siya to student form. And then, the list. So, and then the style. The app. So, there then gipang import ang React student list. And baning first na mo gawas atong malibog jud ko kani. So, nag-input siya daan. But also, and then the index and the main.